Hey there everybody! Welcome to another Mighty Ginkgo video. So we stayed up late and we worked on another game. And by working on another game, I mean we managed to extract animations from another game. Can you guess which game it is? I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with the background music. What? You don't know it? Maybe you'll get the animation if you see it. Did you get it? Okay, let's try it again. This janky model on the back is the Second Life model. So, what you see the first model doing, the Second Life model can do too. There's only one video game girl who got those hips. I'll do a video on how we managed to pull this off later, but this is just a preview to get you excited. See you under the Umbra Moon.